The power of fasting, a boost for hormonal health and immunity. Fasting isn't just about shedding pounds. It's a natural process to reset your body. By giving your system a break, you allow it to detox, balance hormones, and rejuvenate. For nutritionists, it's a game changer in managing immunity and disease resistance. During fasting, hormone production shifts. Insulin sensitivity improves, cortisol levels stabilize, and growth hormone secretion increases. A healthier hormonal system means a more prepared body to fight off illness. Fasting enhances autophagy, a cellular cleanup process, removing toxins and regenerating immune cells. This revitalized immune system wards off diseases and reduces the risk of chronic conditions. By cleansing at the cellular level, fasting strengthens the body's defenses naturally. Educate clients on fasting methods like intermittent fasting. Gradual adaptation is key. Start with shorter fasting windows. Ensure hydration, nutrient-dense meals, and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized approaches. Remember, it's about balance, not deprivation. Help your clients embrace fasting as a tool for holistic health. Share this video, implement these insights, and lead the way in promoting stronger immunity and balanced living. Together, let's design strategies for optimal health, one informed choice at a time.
10 amazing health benefits of eating sauerkraut. Did you know this simple fermented cabbage can supercharge your health? Packed with vitamins and probiotics, sauerkraut is a nutritional powerhouse that's as delicious as it is beneficial. Let's dive into why nutritionists swear by this humble superfood. Sauerkraut is rich in probiotics that nurture your gut microbiome. A healthy gut means better digestion, reduced bloating, and improved nutrient absorption. It's basically your gut's best friend in a jar. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, sauerkraut helps build a strong immune system. Say goodbye to seasonal sniffles and hello to vibrant health with each tangy bite. Good gut health impacts mental well-being, and sauerkraut plays a key role here. Its natural probiotics may help reduce anxiety and elevate your mood, offering benefits beyond just physical wellness. The fermentation process enhances the bioavailability of nutrients, making it easier for your body to absorb vital minerals like iron and calcium. Sauerkraut helps you get more out of the foods you eat. Sauerkraut's antioxidants work to combat free radicals, reducing inflammation in the body. This can support overall health and even alleviate chronic conditions. Ready to inspire your clients with simple and effective health solutions? Sauerkraut is the perfect lifestyle recommendation. Share these benefits, experiment with recipes, and encourage others to embrace this tangy, gut-loving superfood. Start incorporating sauerkraut into your meals today. Your health and clients will thank you.
Ginger, the spice your health is craving. Did you know this humble root packs a punch for your health? Ginger fights inflammation, boosts immunity, and even tames tummy troubles. A single slice can do wonders. Whether in tea or your favorite dish, this spice is as powerful as it is tasty. Feeling sluggish? Ginger can give you that natural energy boost. Loaded with antioxidants, it strengthens your immune system and keeps those pesky colds at bay. Health enthusiast or not, who doesn't want to feel like a superhero every day? Ginger isn't just spicy, it's soothing. From curbing nausea to calming indigestion, this spice is a belly's best friend. Keep it handy to crush bloating and enjoy meals without discomfort. Your gut will thank you. Worked up a sweat at the gym? Ginger's anti-inflammatory powers help ease muscle soreness and reduce pain naturally. Skip the pills. Your post-workout buddy is waiting for you in the spice rack. Ready to supercharge your health? Start small. Add ginger to smoothies, teas, or stir-fries. Feeling bold? Try fresh ginger shots for instant zing and maximum benefits. A little spice goes a long way toward a healthier, energized you. Don't just watch, act. Grab some fresh ginger today and start experimenting. Sprinkle it, sip it, or blend it. Share your ginger adventures with us in the comments and tag your fellow health enthusiasts to spread the ginger craze. Let's spice up our health, one root at a time.